Good morning, or not good morning for you, but good morning for me anyway. So it is 6 o'clock in the morning. Today's episode, oh, I just can't wait for this. I actually just can't wait. This is my dream setup. So as you can tell, I'm in a van. So I've bought a Fitzfab van basically. Need it for work, need it for track days, need it for everything I do. So been on about buying a van with a while, so bought a van. I'll give you a show you the outside. Not much to really look at. Renault traffic, we kind of just done a few little bits to it during the week, but the main object of today's video is getting my 180 back from getting the livery done, and I'm absolutely buzzing to see this car. So Jay at PTG Graphics is after doing the livery on the car, and he's also kind enough that he's going to put stickers on the van for me as well. So yeah, it's kind of two birds with one stone. So I'm literally just after pulling up at the shed here now, as you can tell. Yeah, I'm gonna hitch up this trailer and just get on the road, because I need to pick up Dawson first. We actually have to go to our other job, because we're not only are we doing the work in the shed, we're also doing contracted jobs as well. So we must do just a tiny bit of work before we actually go get the cars, because obviously you all know that you have to pay for these cars somehow. Can I just point out about the van? Look at that, like, that's some radio. Look, it's taking up the whole dash. Right, so this is the van, 04 Renault traffic. So this van was actually nearly green at the moment. It was parked up and now fell under it. So got a good deal on it, DOE on it. Painted up the steelies, put hook caps on it. But what do we else do? We put Dawson managed to straight pipe it yesterday while we were waiting for Petey to come down. Petey wired up my trailer lights, so big shout out to him for that. Shout out to Carney for collecting the tow hitch and for helping install it. Martin for the trailer, as we still can't afford the trailer yet, but you know what I mean, we're working on it. Ewan's car back again, so yeah, it's a different video. Yeah, no, this is the van anyway, boys. I tell you, I'm buzzing for the old van, absolutely buzzing. She's some yoke. So plan is get some stickers down the side of it, like Fitzfab stickers and all. It's gonna look class, but for now let's collect Dawson and go to work. Good morning.
Morning.
What's this?
Just loaded.
What's this? Another restock from Red Bull Ireland. Thank you. Excited? I said everyone about the job we done the exhaust.
Yeah, for some pain in my leg. I'm tired.
Anyway, oh yeah, so if anyone doesn't know, this is Betsy. This is Dawson's.
My pillow.
That's Dawson's pillow, so no one has touched his pillow. No. I just tell everyone how happy we are to finally have a van.
Yeah, I was going to curse there, but yeah, it's brilliant. It's very good. So I'm just going to throw these in the back. Just remember to come, okay?
Yeah, here.
So, what do you want me to do with that?
I was going to say put it in the back, but actually we do some floating around, so just put it down there.
Right, let's go.
Right, so
now we're going to Carrick for our morning routine for 3 sausage rolls and a cup of coffee.
So come with us for the routine for coffee.
Yeah, something like that. I'm going to sleep.
Look. Right, so we're after arriving at work. So basically, right, we're working off over there, but you're not allowed to park on site, so we had to
park off over here.
The lamp this year. So we're arriving. Watch this. Look how visual we are. I'll give it a look. Boys, we're unreal. Right, hey, we may go in and do 3 hours work, and we'll be back to you.
See you later.
Good luck.
So we're back in the van.
Little more. Getting stuck in that muck, did you?
I'm talking.
Oh, sorry.
Little Friday morning shift done. Brand new Fitzfab sleeveless ones. Repping.
Ready to go, lads?
Yeah. We're gonna just stop into the garage, throw some diesel in the van, get something to eat. I was going to say get a can of Red Bull, but we are sponsored, so we don't need to buy any. So the last clip was us leaving work. Now we are how many minutes away?
2 minutes.
2 minutes away from PTG Graphics, and we picked this fella up on the way. Sham, how do you feel?
I feel very excited.
Now, can you see it now?
Yeah, so we picked up this Strata anyway. He made us bring him, buy a Jeep, and he can buy it. Anyone selling that, and don't sell it to him.
But yeah, the next clip will be Sham's car revealed. Right, so we've just arrived. Cars in the shed.
We've just arrived at PTG Graphics now.
I've told Sham he's not allowed.
So I'm gonna go in and see what's happening.
Well, hang on, you're waiting there. Wait till I come around the other side. Wait.
I want to see it.
You're allowed out. You ready?
Holy shit. Fuck me.
Is he on with the Lambo or is it?
One or the other.
Fuck the Lambo. What's this?
Yeah, it's alright, I suppose, but wow. Man, that is absolutely fucking insane.
Jesus Christ. I'm driving it. Oh man, that is fucking amazing.
That's absolutely amazing. What do you think?
Me, man. That is absolutely
That's insane. That is so good.
It's better than
He goes start crying, he's emotional. That is absolutely class.
Lads, I can't even describe to begin how happy I am with this car. It's just gone past my expectations. It just looks fucking crazy. So I am just so happy with this car. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know.
Way better than expected.
There's no. No, we're gonna look.
Never mind the car.
We're gonna focus on the van next.
The van's where it's at.
Yes, boy.
Huh? Yeah. He's right.
So refreshing.
Beautiful.
I don't know, it's well there.
Fuck yeah, happy. It's fat boy. Chill up. Medium classics, left. Medium classics. What do you think of the car? I like it. I got to meet you. See you after.
So Sham's van is in, getting a bit of wrapping on it, and Jay kindly gave us his M3 to go to the shop. So
Jay.
yeah, he showed Sham some controls and pressed some M button and a couple of other ones, and he said, "Now you're fully opened up." He said, "Go out and leave her have it."
No need to sing.
Oh my god, that thing is rapid.
There's no pull happen.
Oh my god, Jay, you're an absolute legend giving us this. What a car, oh my god.
Right, so the lads just started wrapping the van here. As you can see, we're going with the same. So it's going to look class. I don't even know what to say. I'm so happy. Look at this. These lads are busy. So busy.
Barely
Why can't you put a visor? Why the fuck is...
a wrap.
Yeah.
How you doing? Jay, why is there a mark on 2 inches on that?
Oh, wait, yeah. You wouldn't even see that. Why does it keep you when you're there? Hold that.
Go on.
You can mark it out, it doesn't matter, that's all you can cut off.
Cash Dawson wrapping the car, boys.
Actually give up the plumbing. Jay's taking me on next week. Send me first Nixers, my car.
What about it? Look.
Static, it's a good job I don't have hair, isn't it?
You'd be stuck to the panel of the van.
Yeah.
In all fairness, boys, don't mind the car, watch the van. What do you reckon? IDC?
Unbelievable.
What? What do you reckon?
IDC, yeah.
IDC?
I reckon just give me that van when you go to Japan. It's going to do some serious driving around.
WDC? Over Drift Championship coming up.
Isn't it? Well, I do even love doing it like
That's-
that.
No. It's like flossing your teeth at the side of the van.
Same livery. That's fair sharp.
That is fair satisfying. I can't believe that's actually cutting the stick.
Cutting it, yeah. With ease.
Not a bother. And it's not even cutting the hand off me either.
No.
Savage.
2 mil then.
That's what I was thinking there, yeah.
That's
Small,
it.
look.
Yeah.
Send it now. Send it.
Send it.
Right, Jay, off you go.
Okay, send it.
Yes, send her home, boy.
Do your thing.
Send her outside.
Who fixed that whole regi cap?
Just get another 5 cent coin.
I know, yeah. I knocked it down into the tough toilet, never get it back out.
That's hard.
All fairness now, lads, that's some van. That's where it all goes down. It's madness. Hey, anyone selling next 5?
Or any crew cab Jeep whatsoever. Doesn't matter what it is. So what might we do next week? 2 Legends and a Modelo car.
Book in my car.
And we get you if you're not
Right.
if you're not using it.
This is the finished project. Or project, whatever the word is, I don't even care anymore because I'm just that excited. I can't even talk. Well, the van and the car. Like, this is unreal.
Wait till the season.
Couldn't even be any happier. Right, lads, that's us wrapped up, ready to go. Jay, big thank you for absolutely
No worries,
everything.
buddy, anytime.
Yeah, I'll leave Jay's link in the bio for anyone that is interested in getting it done. Here's some of the details here. So for now, let's just get down the road and let's just play with the car. Right, so we have landed back in the shed. Tight squeeze. I am absolutely shattered because we had to take sunglasses on my head. Had to take the long route home because obviously we had to drop Chez home because he didn't buy the Jeep he wanted to get. So we had to take a mad route home. Took us ages, but we are back and I'm just so happy. I just can't grasp it. Like, you've probably seen from my reaction, I didn't know if I was going to start crying or something. That's how happy I was. It's just like, last time I felt this is when I built my twin cam and I seen it for the first time and I was just like, you know, like, it's something, an idea you had in your head is after coming to life, and this is just it for me. So yeah, I'll get a bit more footage on it tomorrow, but for now I'm just shattered and I'm going to sleep. So yeah, you know what to do. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe. Good luck.